Alright guys, we'll make a quick run through the booth. Got some assorted pans there, some Able Skeevers. Down here I've got a ton of corn stick pans. Got different ones over here. Got the square skillets. Got a raised number 8. Got some Griswold stuff. Got some BSRs, some fryers. Over here we've got a little Griswold, got some Lodge, got some Camp Chef, Big 14, Black Lock, and that is not the Black Lock I won. There's my salmon pan, Cracker Barrel, there's a Wasatch, some other ones over here. Down here, all the Wagners. Still have the Sportsman. Over here, just got an assortment of ones on the rack. Now over here, top row, I've got a ton of 3s, some 6s, and a load of 5s. Those are all Lodges and BSRs. And then over here, we've got some bacon stuff on the bottom. Got some Dutch ovens there. Got some more Dutch ovens there. And then we got toys. Some more bacon stuff. More toys. And more bacon stuff. Y'all have a good one.